Creating a professional product commercial used to be expensive. You needed a camera, lighting, a location, a model, and hours of editing just to produce a short advertisement. But AI is changing that faster than I expected. Today, I'm trying a tool called Wizstar for the very first time. It claims it can turn a single product image into a complete marketing video using AI, without filming anything yourself. I've never used it before, so I honestly don't know what to expect. Can it actually create something that looks like a real commercial? Or is it just another AI tool making big promises? Let's find out.
If you love discovering tools that make you think, wow, that was easy, you're in the right place. We test platforms, reveal hidden features, and teach you quick ways to boost your creativity, productivity, and your content game.
AI video generators are everywhere these days. Some are built for filmmakers, others focus on animation or social media content. Wizstar takes a different approach. Instead of being an all-purpose video generator, it's designed specifically for e-commerce and product marketing. The goal is simple: upload a product image, describe the result you want, and let AI generate a promotional video. Today I'm approaching this exactly like a first-time user. No rehearsed demo, just testing the platform to see whether it actually delivers. Let's jump in. The first thing I noticed after logging into Wizstar is that the interface feels surprisingly clean. Everything is organized around the different ways you can create content. Right away, I can see options like AI video generation, AI video translation, AI avatar, image generator, and the feature I'm most interested in, AI product video. Since that's exactly what I came to test, let's dive straight into it. I'll upload a product image, describe the kind of commercial I want, and let Wizstar generate the result. Honestly, I'm curious to see how well it handles product consistency, since that's usually where AI video tools struggle the most. Let's see what it creates. All right, the product image is uploaded, and now it's time to tell Wizstar what I want. Instead of writing a complicated prompt, I'm keeping it simple. I want the AI to create a clean, modern commercial that highlights the product from different angles, almost like something you'd see in a social media ad or on a brand's website. Once the prompt is ready, all that's left is to generate the video and see what Wizstar comes up with. Okay, the video is ready. Let's see what we got. Wow, that's actually a pretty strong first impression. The first thing that immediately stands out is that this doesn't feel like a random slideshow with animated images. It looks like the AI planned different camera movements and scenes to make the product feel more dynamic. The camera slowly moves around the product, then transitions into close-up shots that highlight important details before switching to wider lifestyle-style scenes. It feels much closer to a professionally edited commercial than I expected from a single image. One thing I was paying close attention to was product consistency. With many AI video generators, the product starts changing halfway through the video. Maybe the color shifts, the shape changes slightly, or small design details disappear from one scene to the next. Here, though, the product stays remarkably consistent throughout the different shots. The appearance, colors, and overall design remain recognizable, making the final video feel much more believable. If you're creating marketing content, that's a huge advantage because viewers expect the product in the video to match what they'll actually receive. Another thing I noticed is how naturally the AI presents the product. Instead of simply placing it in front of the camera, Wizstar creates scenes that feel like they were designed to showcase its strongest features. Different angles, smooth motion, and realistic lighting all work together to make the product look much more premium. That's something that's surprisingly difficult to get right, even with traditional filming. Since AI product video was the main reason I wanted to test Wizstar, I wanted to explore one more feature before wrapping things up. Another feature that caught my attention is AI video generator. Instead of creating a promotional video, this feature helps you generate professional product visuals from a single product image. You simply upload your product, and Wizstar creates clean, high-quality marketing images in just a few seconds. And what I really like is the character consistency, and it stays consistent throughout the entire video, even across different scenes and angles. One thing I found especially useful is that you don't need to organize an expensive photo shoot or hire models. If you want your product shown in a lifestyle setting, you can upload both your product image and a model reference, and Wizstar automatically generates realistic product photos with different poses and scenes. It also makes it easy to refresh your marketing creatives. You can change backgrounds, create different environments, or generate clean, white background product images while keeping the product itself consistent. For anyone selling on platforms like Amazon, TikTok Shop, Shopify, or their own online store, this can be a huge time saver. Instead of creating every marketing image manually, you can quickly generate multiple product visuals for different campaigns and platforms. After seeing both product to video and product display, it's clear that Wizstar isn't just focused on AI video generation. It's building a workflow that helps brands create both promotional videos and professional product assets much faster. Now let's talk about pricing, because that's always an important part of deciding whether a tool is worth trying. According to Wizstar's current offer, new users get their first subscription for $8.99, which is nice because it lets you test the platform and see how it fits into your workflow before committing to a subscription, making it a relatively affordable way to explore its full feature set. Another thing I like is that you're not locked into a single AI engine. Wizstar supports multiple models, including Seedance 2.0 and Kling, so you can experiment and choose the one that gives you the style or quality you're looking for. And with Seedance 2.5 also being integrated soon, you'll have even more options to explore. You can test different models freely and pick the one that best matches your creative style and quality needs. That flexibility makes the platform feel less restrictive, especially if you're working on different kinds of marketing content. Overall, I think Wizstar makes the most sense for people who create product-focused videos regularly. Whether you're running a Shopify store, selling on Amazon, managing an online brand, working with clients, or simply creating content for social media, being able to generate professional-looking promotional videos much faster can be a real advantage. After spending some time with Wizstar for the first time, I came away with a better understanding of what it's trying to do. This isn't trying to replace every video editor or become an all-purpose filmmaking platform. Instead, it focuses on a specific challenge that many businesses and creators face: producing high-quality marketing videos quickly and efficiently. The product-to-video feature is definitely the highlight for me. Starting with a single product image and ending up with a polished commercial is impressive, especially when the product stays visually consistent throughout the different scenes. On top of that, features like video translation and AI avatar make it easier to adapt content for different audiences without recreating everything from scratch. If you're curious to see how it works, you can check out Wizstar using the link in the description, try the free credits for new users, and explore what it can create with your own products or content. I'd also love to know what you think. If you had access to a tool like this, what would you create first? A product commercial, a translated video, or something completely different? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this first reaction and want to see more AI tools put to the test, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.